So the advent of Usain Bolt's positive COVID-19 test is still dominating local and international discourse. And as usual, the Maverick looks at this thing from a different angle, assuming and hoping that Bolt survives all the possible negative health issues relating to this virus. I think this positive test could be a potential blessing in disguise for Jamaica's fight against the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The way everything unfolded in the public's eye with the now conspicuous images of that now infamous surprise birthday party and all the things that were wrong with the party happening in the first place, and with the disregard for stipulated protocols, etc. And then within days of the oohs and the ahs comes the positive test for the big man. For sure, the admonishment and the punishment should come. But beyond that, what better messenger to convey the message to all the stubborn people across Jamaica who needs reminding that, yo, this COVID thing is real and we must take it serious? If people don't learn from the mistakes of the high-profile Jamaican superhero Usain Bolt, then they will never learn. Yes, I mean, who better to convince the unconvinced and rule the unruly than the man who did the wrong and learned from that wrong to be now spreading the right message? And that man right now is Usain Bolt. See that? That's the man right there.